Are you quite new to the manifesting world? You don't know where to start. Or perhaps you've been in the manifesting world, but you probably need a refresh and a recap as to what the steps are that you need to be taking to be entering into that manifesting state. Now, first step in terms of manifesting, right? You need to understand that you have a soul. This soul has a vibration because it's bloody energy. Yeah, you cannot destroy energy. And if you go to my YouTube channel, I actually did a video when it came to science versus spirituality. So take a look at that, guys. So when you get this understanding that you have this energy force within this physical body, you are a spiritual being in this human body. Each of us are connected via energy. Everything's vibrating. This sofa, this jumper, everything. And I'm not just talking about your internal orgasms, guys. I'm talking about everything you see around you is vibrating. So how amazing would it be to be able to connect into that vibration to ultimately and eventually manifest in a desire? It's quite a superpower, don't you think? So the first step is to pay attention to your thoughts. So I'm going to let you in on a little secret here, guys. So I have sometimes these thought patterns in my head about this person, and I'm like, you know what, you are really pissing me off now. You haven't contacted me. All you're doing is sending out these telepathic thoughts to me, like, come on. I want more than that. And if you're not taking initiation and not taking no action, well, you know what, forget it. I'm just going to move on. That's it. I've had enough. And then, oh my God, something switches in my mind, guys. And I'm like, shit, I can't be sending out these negative thoughts to this person, because then they won't even reach out or contact. And that's not my intention. That is not. So then I have to retract everything, because, you know, energy is very transferable. Your thoughts carry an energy frequency. Yeah. So you don't want that person to pick it up. Otherwise, they're going to be like, whoa, I can't approach her. Can't reach out to her. She's going to be like this. It's a complete and utter mess. So you change those negative thoughts into positive thoughts. It's okay. It's okay that you haven't messaged me. It's okay. It's been over a year now. I still love you. I still care for you. You're still on my mind. I do think about you. I'm making sure you're okay. But I still do miss you. What you're doing there is you are opening up the energy for them, to open up their arms, to receive that energy in, that positive energy, so then they can take the inspired action they need to get off their frigging ass and take some inspired action. Just being that positive thoughts, guys. Positive. Just being total zen. So the second step is to really look around the 5 people you surround yourself with. Who are they? What are they saying about love and relationships and business and finances? What are they triggered by? Does their story of love suit the narrative of yours? You have to do some deep analysis work, guys. Sometimes you've got to cut people off, because when you enter into a manifesting state and you have a desire that you are working towards, if that energy doesn't suit the narrative or where you're going, well, you're going to have to put some distance there. That's what you need to do. You just stay back. Let me just stay in my manifesting lane. Let me set into my desires. So it's like me, for example. I wouldn't surround myself with anyone who is perhaps separated from a relationship, and all they keep talking about is the faults of a relationship. And they always say, whatever you do, don't get married. I'm like, but that's your story. That's not mine. That is your experience, and you've allowed your experience to then be stored as a paradigm, a set of beliefs in your subconscious mind. Therefore, you have no room of progression within your love area. Why am I going to listen to that? Why? Let me just stick in my own lane. Let me create my own paradigms, my own set of beliefs, and let me just focus on my desired outcomes. Third step is to really pay attention to your body. What are the emotions that your body's feeling right now? Is it in alignment to your desire? Are you truly in your manifesting state? So if it is a manifestation of perhaps a contact or anything from a person, does your body is actually radiating that? Are you feeling it? That's the law of assumption, guys. That is something to really, really use. Assume the feeling, allow your body to feel it. And then what happens is your body starts taking the inspired action that it needs to take. So whether it is a damn message, whether it is a contact, whether it is following up on an email or sending an email, whatever it may be, it will take that inspired action because your body is fueled by the emotions of those positive thoughts. So the last thing to do is to be able to stay in your end desired outcome. So what that means is you are already assuming the energy of your desire. And when you do that, what the universe does is it will send you signs and symbols. It will say to you, right, we know that you've sent this desire out, so we're just going to give you a little heads up, a notification, if you like, to know that it has been received. And the way it does that is through signs and symbols. So I did a video on that on my YouTube channel, where it talks about all the signs and symbols to look out for to know that your manifestation is on its way. And only one who is in the end desired outcome will receive such signs and symbols. That's when you start spiritually awakening. That's when you know, oh my God, I am in my manifesting state. Now, naturally, as a psychic, because we have the ability to see things 10 steps ahead, right? That is all based off your desire. So to be able to give validations, to be able to give the heads up and the navigation through your manifesting state, we are also here as a form of a sign and a symbol to show you that your desire has been received. This is how we see the outcome of it. And this is how we want you to tweak and really strengthen that manifesting state, really get behind it, really show to the universe that you are ready to upgrade you. You are ready to spiritually evolve. You are ready to learn the lessons a lot more quicker than an average person. Hey all, welcome to my channel. You are tuned in to Manifest with a Medium. That's right, a platform full of mediums, the top psychics, incorporating the ability within manifestation coaching. Now, mediumship, let me just get one thing clear. I'm not sitting here talking to dead people 24/7. They have better things to do in their spiritual evolution, in the spirit world. I am simply using my psyche abilities to help navigate one when it comes to their manifesting state. So that means if you're quite new to it, well, this is the place, guys. This is the place to join. This is the place to get behind your inner world, to get behind your limitless energy, your limitless potential that you all have. Don't forget, you can drop anything you want me to cover on the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up and definitely head over to my website. You can find more information about me. Check me out. Until then, take care and I'll see you soon.